sessions interactive bhavati. It's not like that I am giving a lecture and you are listening. Okay, so in just 10 minutes I will give you a lecture. All should be very interactive. एवं परस्परं संवादेन कुर्मः। किमर्थमित्युक्ते एतत्तु नूतनमस्ति भवता। संस्कृतं जानन्ति भवन्तः, कंप्यूटर् अपि जानन्ति, भाषा नियमान् अपि जानन्ति, but how to connect these three, that you don't know. That is new. So, संवादेन, wherever you have a question, immediately you just ask. You can ask any question. If we know, we will answer. Otherwise, we will search. That is research. Okay. So, any question you can ask. So, Bhavata Jananti, can you see? Sanskrit, computational linguistics. संस्कृतं नाम किम्? संस्कृतं भाषा। अत्र संस्कृतं not only भाषा. See, one is भाषा and another is शास्त्रम्. Okay, संस्कृत संगणक, Sanskrit computational linguistics. अत्र भाषा plus Shastram. So you cannot consider Sanskritam as only Bhasha, only language. So you have to Shastra Drishtiya Drishtam. Shastra Drishtiya Apekshita. Shastram Katham Pravartate. Na kevalam Vyakaranam, Ayunarulyam, no. Not that. Tatra Shastrat Kachit Drishtiya Apekshita. Tatra Kasmaschitapi. Kachit Drishtiya asti cheti, you can work in any field. But from any Shastra, Yoga Shastra, Vyakaranam, any field, you have to get that Drishti. Tarhi kutrasit karyam kartum shaknoti. So Bhasha Shastra. Computational nama. So one is computer. Computer means it's just like a machine and device. And this is application. Okay. So application and this is Sankanaka, Yantra. Yantra obviously, kevalam Yantra cheti TV vattu bhavati. Tatra application. Linguistics. That's linguistics. Bhasha Shastram. Bhasha Shastram naam kim? Bhasha katham pravartate. How does the language work? What is the process? How do we understand language? See, यदा अस्माकं जन्मनः प्रभृति भाषां जानीमः. माता वदति काकः, पश्यतु काकः, घटः, लेखनी, वयं जानीमः, पठामः. कथम् अवगमनं जायते? तद् व्याकरणे पठन्ति खलु, भूषणसारः, वाक्यवदीयम् इत्यादि दार्शनिकग्रन्थान् पठन्ति खलु. तत्र अस्ति भाषा कथं प्रवर्तते तत् सर्वत्र भवति. भाषा नियमाः न केवलं संस्कृतम्, any language in the world, universal application, universal rules भाषायाः तत् सर्वम् अत्र भवति. तर्हि एतत् संस्कृत computational linguistics means it's a multidisciplinary research area. Multidisciplinary research field where we have to work together. Okay, not only Sanskritam, not only Sankanaka, not only Bhasha. This together we have to work. So the platform should be, we need Sanskrit scholars, Sanskritඥाः अपेक्षिताः, Sankanakඥाः अपेक्षिताः, computer engineers, software engineers अपेक्षिताः, भाषा तज्ञाः अपेक्षिताः. So we need these three teams together. We need a platform where संस्कृतज्ञाः, संकणकज्ञाः, भाषातन्त्रज्ञाः एते सर्वे मिलित्वा कार्यं कुर्युः. Actually Patanjali can do that. आचार्यजी उक्तवन्तः प्रक्रिया तु उपलभ्यते इदानीं फास्ट् प्रक्रिया अष्टाध्यायी.com and all are available but प्रक्रिया द्वारा एतादृशं किञ्चित् यन्त्रं तद्द्वारा शास्त्रज्ञानं भवेत् पश्यन्तु इदानीं शास्त्रज्ञानं संस्कृतज्ञानं भवति संस्कृतभारती द्वारा you can get spoken Sanskrit and all संस्कृतं जानन्ति वा संस्कृतं जानन्ति कथं we can speak we can write we can read no that is not Sanskritam that is not only I am not saying that is not Sanskritam but यदि भवन्तः शास्त्रं न जानन्ति तर्हि संस्कृतं जानीमः इति वक्तुं न शक्नुमः so at least you have to learn one shastra and its application so here at Patanjali you may I just introduced Chaitanya also Chaitanya you come here
Chaitanya ji
please
ये ऑलरेडी चैतन्य जी हैं टीम के एक और मेंबर
चैतन्य लेकुंडी श्रीलंकन आगतः he is no you can see he is like young so young but सः NSC किन्तु सः ज्ञाने तु बहु भाषा पुनः बहु शास्त्रज्ञः सः कंप्यूटर साइंटिस्ट अस्ति चैतन्य तदनन्तरं कर्नाटक संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालये MA व्याकरणम् अधीतवान् MA व्याकरणे सम्यक् गतिः अस्ति तस्य इदानीं PhD करोति सङ्गणकशास्त्रे पुनः व्याकरणे च मिलित्वा अस्माकं कर्नाटक संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालये we have I told you that we have a team he is also leading that team and we have a web page we developed many web tools for Sanskrit learning Sanskrit shastras and all तत्र संभाषा इति नाम वेबसाइट संभाषा means संगणक भाषा अथवा संवादः अथवा संस्कृत भाषा समीचीना भाषा एवं संभाषा इति संभाषायाः सम्पूर्णं कार्यं चैतन्य एव करोति we all together now this is a complete team actually we need these three fields. We need people from these three fields. एवं संस्कृतं, संगणकं, पुनः भाषाशास्त्रम्. एतत् सर्वं मिलित्वा भवति this field in the natural language processing इति उच्यते. this संगणक Sanskrit computation linguistics इति उच्यते. इतः परं भवन्तः अपि न केवलं संस्कृतज्ञानं, न केवलं संगणकज्ञानं न केवलं भाषाशास्त्रज्ञाः एतत् सर्वं मिलित्वा किं भवति Sanskrit computation linguists भवन्ति भवन्तः अस्तु अग्रे गच्छामः any questions
if we talk about Sanskrit and computer then how can we differentiate between 01 and Sanskrit and computer and we say that Sanskrit is the best language to be used in computer and we have 0 as written in our shastra so where do we get one and how do we combine all these
hello ma'am I am Siddharth Pandey BA 3rd year so I am here with my question that we said that Sanskrit, writing the codes in Sanskrit would be much better in order to communicate with the Israelites and etc. My question is that we use binary 0-1 in order to communicate. I see 0 in our Vedas, Shastras everywhere. I don't see 1. Also, even if we get 1, then my question is how do we create such codes that are able to be better codes in comparison to the present codes. Thank you.
Actually, technique control
देखिए जब आपने 0 और 1 की बात की वो तो है हमारे शास्त्रों में 0 भी है और 1 भी है वो तो ठीक है, परंतु उसका प्रयोग जो होता है, उसका संगणक में जैसा प्रयोग होता है वो इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल्स के माध्यम से होता है। तो 0 और 1 जो है वो +5 -5 वोल्ट्स होता है बस। वो एक वस्तुतः एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, सो इट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट। इट इज नॉट दैट वी आर यूजिंग zeros and ones to run the computer. It is just a signal to run the microprocessor. Microprocessor एकं चिप् भवति, अस्तु वा? तत्र किं भवति? There are multiple pathways, and to choose one particular pathway, we are giving it a signal through the medium of 0 and 1. तत्र शून्यम् एकं तस्य प्रयोगः भवति, अस्तु वा? इदानीं संस्कृतम् उपयुज्य साक्षात् कोडिङ्ग् इति नास्ति, यतोहि संस्कृतं तु भाषा भवति। अत्र 0 and 1 एतत्तु संगणकक्षेत्रे यद् उपयुज्यते तत्र it is just a concept of electric signals.
So I used to be very proud when our fathers used to say that Sanskrit is an origin language for computer. So now I can't say that Sanskrit is an origin language for computer.
Yeah. See, how we should put it is, हमें उस बात को कैसे उपस्थापित करना है कि अष्टाध्यायी जो है, संस्कृत व्याकरण के अष्टाध्यायी जो है, अष्टाध्यायी ही प्रोग्राम है। ये सत्य बात है, अष्टाध्यायी ही प्रोग्राम है। अब आज के जो प्रोग्रामिंग भाषाएं हैं, उन प्रोग्रामिंग भाषाओं में वेरिएबल होता है, लूप होता है, रिकर्शन होता है। ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ये अष्टाध्यायी में प्रयुक्त है, वो उतना तो हम बोल सकते हैं, ये तो प्रामाणिक बात है। परंतु संस्कृत भाषा को ही मैं संगणक में करूंगा, ये थोड़ा विसंगत प्रतीत होता है, क्योंकि संगणक भाषा भिन्न है और संस्कृत भाषा भिन्न है। परंतु अष्टाध्यायी की जो संरचना है वो संरचना प्रोग्रामेटिक है, तो प्रोग्राम ही है, अष्टाध्यायी ही प्रोग्राम है। इतना तो हम प्रामाणिकता से बोल सकते हैं।
See, different kinds of languages are there. You know, C++ is there. 0 and 1, it's okay for getting this. C++, Python and all. See, but we don't understand that language, right? Python language, that is for computer, but you know, that is artificial language. You create artificial language that human beings cannot understand. Like that, no? See, here, if you say is see, people were talking like that. Like that, these are usable for computer means, I don't know that. So far, we don't know. We have to do some good research. How can we use this directly for programming and what we don't know. But that's why in the beginning itself, what I am saying is, see, Sanskrit means don't take it as just a script or language like that, speaking language. See, for Shastras, computer science, we need science. Okay, that's why as Chaitanya mentioned, is Ashtadhyayi programming. See, techniques you see. So far what we are trying to apply is, the Shastra for, see, in mathematics, you need mathematics and other Shastras, science and all, if you see, you need logic, no? Logic is also needed. So we have logic. So we can use that logic, Nyaya. Okay, we can use Nyaya. We can use that Ashtadhyayi grammar rules for language processing, word sense disambiguation. In all those fields, we can use Sanskrit. So far we did research in that field. So these things, no, that script-based research is going on somewhere, but we have to explore more. Okay? You want to know? Okay. Sanskrit computational linguistics means, no, computational means it's a processing, no? Processing. Let's say processing really. Sanskritam nama, see, Sanskritam has this binary system and all, but Sanskritam nama we can say, what is the language? Language. Bhasha nama? Bhasha. Bhasha.
Something that is used to communicate.
Communication के लिए देखो ये परस्पर विनिमय है भाषा है किन्तु भाषा इत्युक्ते किं वदामः कथयामि खलु भाषा नाम किं वाक्यानि भवन्ति खलु भाषा has a structure वाक्यानि भवन्ति language नाम it's a data I don't know whether you understand this data and all okay let me leave so भाषा इत्युक्ते भाषा has a structure sentences for example see Ramah you know the meaning of Ramah Ayodhyam गच्छति रामः अयोध्यां गच्छति Are you getting meaning? कः अर्थः राम अयोध्या जाता है so if I write here रामः गच्छति then after some time अयोध्या do you get meaning? No but किमर्थं सन्निकर्षः नास्ति केवलं सन्निकर्षः भवति वा तर्हि अहं लिखामि रामः सीता वनं तत्र एक्सेट्रा सन्निकर्षः भवति वा अर्थः
योग्यता नास्ति
योग्यता किमर्थं नास्ति
अनयोः सम्बन्धः नास्ति अत्र क्रियापदस्य
सम्बन्धः अपेक्षितः पश्यन्तु अत्र पतञ्जलि उडुपे भवन्तः सर्वे अत्र उपविशन्ति and outside you cannot sit here किमर्थं कश्चन सम्बन्धः अपेक्षितः some connection should be established now see these people are there first I came then all these people came how they are connected to me no I am connected to Patanjali no like that some kind of connection should be established so अत्र पश्यन्तु एतत् वयं कथम् अर्थम् अवगच्छामः so how do we make computer understand the language that is important वयं तु कथं वयं श्रुत्वा अवगच्छामः वाक्यानि शृणुमः इदानीं continuously when we listen to Sanskritam we get Sanskritam if I speak in Malayalam continuously some little bit you will connection you will get and you understand the language okay so computer मध्ये कथं अवगमनं भवेत् it doesn't have prajna no we have prajna but computer doesn't have prajna तर्हि इदानीं एतत् अस्माभिः चिन्त्यते तत्तु we have to think from computer perspective सङ्गणकं कथम् अवगच्छति इति प्रश्नः अत्र पश्यन्तु इदानीं रामः अयोध्यां गच्छति इति अस्ति अत्र रामः इत्युक्ते वयं जानीमः एव राम अयोध्या जाता है ना राम अयोध्या जाता है so then how do we know this is not but out of this sentence we are getting a particular one meaning what is that meaning so राम अयोध्या जाता है राम अयोध्या एव गच्छति अयोध्यां प्रति गच्छति एकं यूनिट एकं ज्ञानं प्राप्यते how do we get it we get it automatically किमर्थं we know the connection we know the structure okay so for processing in computer for computer processing अथवा computing first we have to know the structure of the language any language see if you know the structure of one language Sanskritam you can know it see for example Swati worked on Pali machine translation see why how she could work on her Pali machine translation because she knew Sanskrit structure she knew the structure of Sanskrit language तदर्थं किं जातं सा तु तथैव पाली भाषा कथं भवति इति she could analyze so प्रथमं सङ्गणकस्य कृते किमपेक्षितं भाषायाः प्रोसेसिङ्ग् कृते स्ट्रक्चर् अपेक्षितं तत् वयं जानीमः खलु के जानन्ति सङ्गणकज्ञाः न जानन्ति a computer scientist cannot understand the structure easily okay that's why we say we all have to work together किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते वयं भाषाशास्त्रमपि जानीमः वयं किं संस्कृतभाषामपि जानीमः तर्हि ज्ञानं कार्यं किम् इत्युक्ते अस्माभिः तत् अवगम्य तेषां कृते नियमाः देयाः. This language works like that. Then they will process. So fortunately, in our team we have both. Sanskrityaः who know Sanskritam. So, okay. अतः मम संस्कृतं जानन्ति चेत् अहं कंप्यूटर न जानन्ति चेदपि चिन्ता नास्ति. You can do that because सङ्गणकं बहवः जानन्ति. Many know computer, but very few scholars are there to know संस्कृतशास्त्रं. संस्कृतं जानन्ति बहवः, किन्तु संस्कृतशास्त्रज्ञानम् अत्यन्तम् अल्पान् भवति. अतः एकं पश्यन्तु, रामः अयोध्यां गच्छति. Okay, रामः अयोध्यां गच्छति. How do we get the knowledge? How do we understand? वयं कथम् अवगच्छामः? प्रथमं, if we know that how do we understand, then we can make the computer understand the language. Okay, तर्हि किं भवति? रामः अयोध्यां गच्छति. अत्र किं चेत् some connections are there in between the words. What are these connections? सम्बन्धः. कश्चन सम्बन्धः अस्ति खलु. सम्बन्धः नास्ति कुत्रापि भवितुमर्हति. यत्र गृहे चेदपि यदि सम्बन्धः नास्ति, we cannot be in a house together. तादृशम् अत्रापि वाक्यं, एतत् वाक्यम् इत्युच्यते खलु, सेण्टेन्स्. वाक्ये परस्परं सम्बन्धः भवेत्. कथं सम्बन्धः अत्र? रामः कः? रामः दशरथस्य पुत्रः इति. रामः कः?
रामः कर्ता.
रामः. See, अत्र first this is important. This is Kriya. So first we have to understand what is the Kriya. Kriya gachati. Gachati is the Kriya. So कः रामः? दशरथस्य पुत्रः. कः रामः? यः गच्छति सः रामः खलु. अत्र अस्मिन् वाक्ये कः रामः? So this he has a connection with this word. What is the connection? What is the relation? What is the relation? Karta. Karta no? Karta relation. He is a karta. He is the doer of the action. He is going. Who is going? Rama is going. So what is the relation? Karta. So ekam nama अस्ति खलु संस्कृते तस्य कर्ता कारकम्. कारकं खलु. कारकं नाम किं? क्रियाजनकं कारकं. See, कारकं नाम is a relation. सम्बन्धः. सम्बन्धः अन्वयः इत्युच्यते खलु. सम्बन्धः एव कारणम् इत्युच्यते. पश्यतु, अत्र रामः इति रामस्य गमनक्रिया, तत्र सम्बन्धः खलु. कर्ता. तर्हि अत्र कथं सम्बन्धः? कः सम्बन्धः? कर्म. So the first and foremost thing is understanding the relations, understanding the structure. बुक्षितं न प्रतिभाति किञ्चित् ममापि भवतामपि. अतः इदानीं जस्ट् एकम् इन्ट्रोडक्षन्. अग्रे तु कथं लैंग्वेज स्ट्रक्चर भवति, सो हाउ टु प्रोसेस इट, कथं सङ्गणकं कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स दिस प्रोसेस, हाउ टु डू दैट, तत्तु वाक्य लेवल, पदा लेवल, वर्ण लेवल, then how to prepare the data, text, all those things today we will learn. So how many of you know computer programming? How many of you know? 1, 2, 3 programming. You can do programming. Oh, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See. So which programming language you know?
Java and C.
Java, C. Python, C. Web technology. Anyone knows web technology, web development? HTML. Okay. Very good. So 5. Good. So now, Didi, your team, Bengal. So they have Sanskrit, who know Sanskrit programming and Shastrajnas too. Shastrajnas are there. Very good. So, as Acharya ji suggested, no, this is the best platform for any research. It's the best platform. So you can team up and we'll support you. Okay. So see, you just know, you look at in this computer perspective, everything. No, you have any doubts, anything that you can ask. Okay. And some शास्त्रज्ञाः व्याकरणं सम्यक् जानन्ति इति कति जनाः सन्ति? सम्यक् व्याकरणशास्त्रं जानन्ति.
व्याकरण के विद्यार्थी वो बताओ ऐसे तो कोई
शास्त्रं जानन्ति इति कोऽपि नास्ति वा?
आपने सम्यक बोल दिया ना
किमपि ज्ञानं सम्यक् एव भवति.
आपने याचवल जैसा बोल दिया जो पूरा आप लोग कहता है वो गायों को ले जाए